Here we have the display screen. On it, you'll see the current time and day of the week. You'll also see a no oil indicator and the blinking bottle in the upper right hand corner. The A indicates the intensity of oil being diffused. First thing you want to do is remove the no oil indicator. You do that by pressing the enter and up arrow for 6 seconds. This should be your new display screen. Now we're going to show you how to program the current time and date. What you want to do is simply click both the up and right arrow at the same time. Here we're going to see it starts off with the current time. Right now, here it's 11 a.m. So with the up arrow, we can change this around. You'll notice that it's military time. Go around until we get it to 11. And it is 11 on the dot, so we want to adjust. And it's gonna go to the year. We're in 2019. The month is February, and the day is the 20th. Once you have your current time and day set up, press the enter button to save it. For this example, we're going to program the unit Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. Notice you can program 2 different periods of time in one day. So to program the schedule, you want to click the right arrow one time. And you're going to notice the screen will change, and this is program 1. Now we're going to adjust the start time from 7 a.m. So with the up arrow, go around till you get it to 7. With the right arrow, click it twice to get to the stop time, the hour. We're going to put that at 12 p.m. If we keep on with the right, click it once, click it twice. We're now on the working time and pause time. For this example, we're going to set it for 10 seconds working time and 60 seconds pause time. So up arrow, you'll make the first digit a 0. You want to go right arrow to the second digit, change that to a 1, right arrow to the pause time, change that to a 6, and we now have it programmed 10 seconds on, 60 seconds off. Now we're going to program tier 2 of our programming, which will be 3 p.m. to 8 p.m. So to get to programming 2, you want to bounce to the right until you notice it says program 2. So we want to program at 3 p.m. So with the up arrow, we want to go to 1500, which in military time will be 3 p.m. And once you got that set, we go to the right to the stop time to where we're going to set it up to 20, which in military time is 8 p.m. Right arrow till we get to the working time and pause time again. Again, we're going to go with the same example. We're going to place it for 10 seconds working time. And we're going to do 60 seconds pause time. Once you have everything set, you want to press enter to save your settings. Okay, now that we already programmed Monday through Friday, we're gonna go ahead and program Saturday from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. What we wanna do is, again, right arrow, we get program 1 to come out. You wanna put the day on Saturday and press enter when you have Saturday blinking. And here we're gonna go ahead and program 10 a.m. Go to the right to the stop time. We're gonna put this at 10 p.m. which in military time is 2200. And we wanna go to the right. The working time is fine. The pause time is fine. But we do wanna deactivate program 2 on Saturday so that the machine knows to stick to one programming. To deactivate program 2, simply set it back to 0000, which is midnight. Press enter when done. Now that we programmed our entire week, we want to show an example of a day where you don't want the unit to run. So we will set Sunday to be off. We'll click the right arrow. The program menu pops up. With the up arrow, we'll put it on Sunday. We'll go ahead and press enter to make our changes. And to have the unit disactivate, you want to set it for the same time, midnight, which is 0000. Go to the right to the stop time. We want to put it at the same time. Remember, we programmed 2 levels, so we have to deactivate the second level as well. Now when I press enter, this unit will not turn on Sundays. If for any reason you need to reset all settings to default, this is how you would go about doing it. I want to power down the unit with the switch on the side of the machine. You want to go ahead and press the enter button. Make sure you're holding it down firmly. Power the unit back on. Hold the enter button for about 5 seconds. You'll see this question pop up, system reset. With the right arrow, you go to yes. Go ahead and press the enter button. The system's reset. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Below you will find a link to our recommended concentration level settings. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like us on Facebook, and follow us at Instagram. Till next time.